Hello everybody, this is Wee from Mama Wee's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Wee's menu, we are making corn casserole. This dish, guys, is so delicious and savory, but if you want it on the sweeter side, you can add 2 tablespoons of sugar. And one thing good about this dish, the leftovers can be refrigerated up to 6 days. So let's get started. You know Mama Wee doesn't like to waste time. First things first, in a medium bowl, I'm gonna add eggs. Whisk the eggs until they're well combined. Add melted butter. Keep stirring to combine the ingredients. Next, we're gonna add sour cream. Then give it a good whisk. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Add cream-style corn along with whole kernel corn. Note we didn't drain the water. Then we're gonna give it a good mix. Once everything has incorporated, we're gonna go ahead and add baking powder and mix well. Next, we're gonna add cornmeal. And continue to mix until everything is well incorporated. This recipe, guys, is so simple with less ingredients. It's very versatile. Trust me, you won't be able to mess it up. The batter looks good. Everything is well incorporated. We're gonna go ahead and grease a 13 by 9 inches baking dish, then pour our batter and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. The corn casserole is out of the oven. We're gonna insert the toothpick in the middle to check for doneness, and if it comes out clean, that means it's done. Spread the batter over the casserole while it's still hot. There you have it, guys. Easiest ever corn casserole. Please don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.